Begin by laying down on your mat for the Pilates core workout. Knees bent, feet onto the floor, hip-width distance apart. Feel all 10 toes on the floor, arms straight, curl the head, neck, and shoulders up for the 100, lift the arms up and pump the arms. And pump. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. For a challenge, bring your legs up to tabletop. Keep them zipped together. Inner thighs, knees, feet together, and keep pumping the arms. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, extend the legs out to 45 degrees for a deeper challenge. Zipping up through the inner thighs, arms are long, and pump the arms. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you need a break, lower the head down, return the legs back to tabletop position, and when you're ready, extend the legs back to 45 degrees. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Bring the knees in. And rock yourself up to a seated position for half roll back. Open your knees and your feet hip-width distance apart. Sit up tall, holding on underneath your thighs. And then round back, tucking the tailbone, scooping the belly. Hold here, gently hold on behind the legs, keeping the neck relaxed, scooping the belly. If you feel it in your back, just come up a little bit higher. Inhale, sit up tall, and again, scoop and round back. Hold here. Take your hands off your legs for a challenge. Make sure that all 10 toes are on the floor. Make sure that your knees are pointing up towards the ceiling. Sit up tall, reach your arms up. And again, round back, deepening the abs. Twist over towards the right, keeping your left hip down to the mat, shoulders relaxed. Scoop the belly. Hold here, and then twist to the center, to the other side. Twisting to the left, keeping your right hip down, scooping the abs. That's it. Keep breathing. Hold here. We'll come back to the center and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scoop. Keep holding, holding, holding. Last minute. And lift up and relax over. Sit up tall. Straighten your legs out. Reach your arms forward at shoulder height. Roll down to the mat for roll up. Take an inhale. Curl the head, neck, and shoulders up. And then exhale as you stretch forward. Hands at shoulder height. Abs back. And then roll back down. 2 more times. Inhale, curl up. Exhale, stretch over. Inhale, tuck the tailbone to roll back and roll the spine down. Last time, reach your legs down to the floor as you roll up, scooping the belly button back. Shoulders are relaxed. Inhale, and then exhale, lower down. Bring your hands back behind your head for neck pull. Legs open to hip-width distance apart, feet flexed, heels reaching down. Inhale, roll up, hug the elbows in towards the knees and round over. Sit up tall, energy through the top of the head. Hinge back. And when you can't hold anymore, tuck the tailbone and roll down. And again, inhale, exhale, elbows towards your knees. Sit up tall, long spine. Hinge back, energy through your heels. Tuck the tailbone, roll down. Once more. Inhale, exhale, scoop the belly button. Sit up tall, hinge back, and exhale, roll down towards the mat. Great job. Bend your knees. Hug them in towards your chest. Moving on to the ab series, pull the head, neck, and shoulders up. Extend your left leg out, hold your right knee in, and then switch legs, and switch, and switch, and switch. Really think of extending the leg out of the hip, keeping your shoulder blades down into your back. Chest is open, the abdominals pulled in and up. If you need to take a rest, lower the head down for a moment, and then come right back up when you're ready. Scoop the belly, extend, and reach, both knees in, lower the head down for a moment, turn side to side with the head, relaxing the neck, and we'll go into double leg stretch. Deepen the abs, curl the head, neck, and shoulders up. Reach your arms back, legs to 45, circle the arms and hug it in. And again, reach, circle and in. Zip up through the inner thighs, scoop and in. And again, reach, long legs, and in. That's it, reach. And now reverse the arms 5 times. Back by your ears and in. 4, and in. 3 more. 3, scoop in 2 more times. 2, and in. Last one, long arms and legs, hold it, and in. Lower the head down. Turn the head side to side. Good work, keep going. We're going to do single straight leg stretch. Curl the head up, legs up towards the ceiling. Pull your right leg towards your chest, lower the leg just to 45 degrees, no lower, and switch, and switch, and switch. Now make sure that as the leg lowers, it's only to 45 degrees, so you really use your core to keep that leg at 45 and no lower. Pull the leg in towards your chest for a hamstring stretch. Try and reach for the calf or the ankle, or if you can, your foot. Keeping the shoulders relaxed, scooping the belly, hands behind your head, flex the feet, now quick scissors. Kick, 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 kick. Really anchor the hips down to the floor, and now zip the legs together. Bring your hands underneath your hips, and now rotate the legs out, heels together, toes apart. Curl the head, neck, and shoulders up for lower lift. Lower the legs down, deepen the belly and lift. That's it. And again, lower, scoop and lift. Now really try and use your lower belly and not your quads to lift your legs up. Lower, deepen the belly and lift. And again, lower, scoop and lift. And again, lower, scoop and lift. That's it. And now bend in. Last set of the ab series. Curl the head up, twist to the side, and reach the opposite leg out. Twist for crisscross. So it's really going to get into the oblique side abdominal muscles, and try and curl up as high as you can up off the shoulder blades, keeping the elbows as wide as you can. Twist and twist and twist. Scoop the belly and relax. Great work. Rock yourself up to seated position. Extend your legs out straight. Reach your arms up to shoulder height. Open the arms to the side and move into solve. Twist at the waist, and now reach your opposite pinky toe towards the opposite foot. And come back up. Move to the center. Scoop the belly as you twist to the other side. And now reach. And again, twist at the belly. And keep the opposite hip down onto the floor. Keep flexing the feet. Energy through the heels. Pulling the toes back, scooping the abs. Through the center, lower the arms down, zip your legs together, reach the arms forward, roll down towards the mat. And we'll move into the teaser series. Bend your knees, feet planted onto the floor, arms straight up towards the ceiling. Take an inhale, curl the head, neck, and shoulders up, and you're going to sit up to your teaser. The tailbone is tucked, the belly is scooped, and the hands are reaching forward on the diagonal. Roll back down 1 vertebrae at a time. And again. Inhale, exhale, and lift up. All 10 toes onto the floor. And again. Bring your feet together and reach your left leg straight, zipping the thighs together, and then sit up. If this is too difficult, you can keep both feet planted onto the floor. One more time. Inhale. And when you feel stuck, exhale to come up. You can bring your hands behind your thighs for a little extra help. And then lower down. Switch legs. Extend the right leg out. Zip the thighs together. Inhale. Exhale. Lengthen the spine. Sit up tall. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, chin towards the chest. Scoop the belly. Keep that chest nice and open. Look up. And roll back down. Taking it up a notch, bring your legs together, in tabletop, inhale, exhale, sit up, squeeze the inner thighs together, knees together, feet together, look up, and then roll back down. And again, inhale, chin towards the chest, exhale, scoop the belly, keep that tucked tailbone position, and roll back down. And a little bit further now. This time, extend the legs out to 45 degrees. Zip up through the inner thighs, full teaser, arms up by your ears, and melt the spine down, legs to tabletop. And again, inhale, chin towards the chest, exhale. Now this takes a lot of practice. If you can't do this right away, it's okay. Just work towards it as much as you can and lower down. Great job. Flip over onto your stomach. Extend your arms out straight in front of you, legs and feet hip-width distance apart, shoulders down to the back. Scoop the belly, take an inhale, lift the head, neck, shoulders, arms and legs up, and exhale, lower down. 2 more times. And inhale, lengthen, and exhale, lower down. Keep the back of the neck nice and long, looking down towards the floor, and then move into swimming, kicking the opposite arm and leg up. And now a little bit faster, flutter the arms and legs up and down, engage in the hamstrings. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and everything lowers down. Sit back over your feet into child's pose and rest the head down. Take an inhale and exhale. Move yourself forward to the front edge of your mat, hands underneath your shoulders. Scoop the belly. Knees and feet hip-width distance apart. Round your spine up towards the ceiling for a nice spinal stretch. And then arc the back and look up. And again, belly button pulls up towards the sky. And as you arc the back, still think of keeping the abdominals pulled in. Come back to neutral spine. And now we're going to reach our right leg back and left arm forward. Think of keeping your right hip facing the ground, left shoulder down to the back, and switch arms and legs. Left leg reaches back, right arm reaches forward, deepening the belly, and lower down. And again, right arm, left leg, reaching that leg out of the hip as long as you can, reaching your toes back nice and long, and left arm, right leg, neck is relaxed, keeping a natural breath, scooping the belly, and lower down. And now reach the right arm and the left leg, and now scoop round the back, bring the elbow towards the knee. And again, round the back, scoop and bring it in, and extend, and curl up as tight as you can, and now lengthen as much as you can. And again, scoop round in, and lengthen, and belly button in and up, and reach the arm and the leg, and last one, round in, nice and long, and lower down. Other side. Left leg, right arm, and round the spine, scoop the belly, and reach, and elbow towards the knee, and reach. Now make sure the shoulders stay down the entire time. 3 more. Scoop 3, and reach, and 2, and reach. 1 last time, and lengthen, and lower. Nice work. Come down onto your forearms, make a fist with one hand, wrap the other hand around it. We're going to do serratus push-ups. Extend your legs back into a wide leg stance for plank. Now lower the chest down and lift. Lower and lift. You want to squeeze the shoulder blades together every time you lower. Keep it in a nice strong plank. 5 more. 5. Up. 4. Up. 3. Press. 2. Press. Last 1. Scooping the belly. Knees down. Sit back and take a breather. Inhale. And exhale. And come back to your forearms, make a fist, other hand around it. Extend those legs back. If the serratus push-up is too much, just hold a nice strong plank as we lower and lift. Keep the tailbone tucked, belly is scooped, legs are engaged, and again, lower, press, lower, press. And 3, and 2, and last one, lower and press, knees down. Great job. Sit back over your feet. Take an inhale and exhale. And then come up to a nice, comfortable seated position. We're just going to finish with a few fresh breaths of air and take an inhale, lift the arms up towards the ceiling. And exhale, lower down. Great work. This was not an easy workout. And one more time, and inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down. Wonderful job, and I will see you next time.